be a perfect mother, perfect mother. In her mind, there's no doubt.
Back here again in Northport, Florida, getting ready to do some suspension work. It's time for us to put Cole's suspension back together. We've got some pieces over here in the queue. Fred has already done some work getting things ready for us today. In our last video, we had just done the floor pans, and now it's time to start putting the suspension back together. So this is going to be an exciting day.
'Cause there's gonna be a perfect baby. Raise the curtain to the old prescription. Kinda lives daily and smarter.
While Fred's working on the front suspension, he's got me taking the rear suspension apart. Just got the brakes, brake drum off, and the brake shoes. Brake shoes are actually in pretty good shape. We soaked everything down really good here so we can take it apart in a few minutes. So now I'm gonna go to the other side and do the same thing.
People say that she's too young, she's too young. No one could show her how.
So it turns out that the emergency brake lines were in pretty bad shape, and I just happened to, by sheer luck, acquire a pair of brand new ones in a parts lot that I purchased. So we have taken the old ones off, removed them from the car, and I've got all the bolts here getting in the queue, getting ready to be buffed out. And once I get all of this, the attachment points put together, I will shoot another video showing what we've done. In your hands, that means something's about to happen, big boy.
About to happen.
So what are you doing right now, Fred?
I'm gonna install the trunnion on the vertical lane.
Okay. And we ended up going with new trunnions, correct?
Yes, we did.
The old ones had way too much play in them.
Yes, they did.
So we will grease that up well, and then we will slide that on.
Smother with kisses, there is nothing more important. Who knows better all her life she made?